How to delete WhatsApp call history permanently or clear all WhatsApp call history on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your WhatsApp call history permanently. Now say you have made a particular number of calls on WhatsApp and you want to delete it permanently. Now to do so, what you want to do is first open up the WhatsApp and you'll get an interface like this. And if you head into your calls option here, you'll be able to see all your call logs or calls that you have made. You'll be able to find your call history on WhatsApp right here. Now you can see my recent calls here. 3 calls has been made. Now to delete it is quite easy. So what you want to do is first tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen that you can see. And here you can see the 2 options, clear call log and settings. Now simply tap on clear call log and you'll see the option popping up. Do you want to clear your entire call log? Simply tap on OK and your entire call log will be deleted permanently. So this way you can delete WhatsApp call history permanently. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.